This is your KCTV5 News Flash Briefing.
We're so glad you could join us here with KCTV5 and Alexa. An update here at your midday. A stark warning for rural areas coming from doctors at KU Med today. You could be next.
The virus doesn't care how much money you make. It doesn't care what your job is. It doesn't care really where you live. It gets around to these places.
Doctors have been following trends associated with the virus closely over the past several weeks, saying it doesn't have to get bad, but it will if people ignore social distancing and leaders don't act quickly.
You know, certainly things can be done at the state level. Things can be done at the county level and at the city level as well. And so I would urge those leaders of those small or rural areas to really look at the evidence, really look at what's going on in other areas, maybe in other rural areas out east around New York or out west.
And the number of cases are climbing here in the Midwest. In Missouri, now reporting at least 1,327 cases with 14 deaths. On the Kansas side, where the governor has issued a statewide stay-at-home order, 443 cases reported so far, with at least 10 people dying from this virus. And also new details this afternoon. The Kansas City Police Department has now confirmed 2 of their officers have tested positive. We first learned of these infections last night. We were not told at that point how many were affected, but Sergeant Jake Bakina says the department has been taking steps to keep these officers and the community safe.
One of the things we've been doing for the last 2 weeks, this 6-foot distance has been something we're focusing on. We've been doing things like asking people to come out of their homes if we go on a call for service. By the nature of police business, we're going to be out in public. We're going to have contact with people. So that is inevitable.
We are told at least 16 members of the department are now under a quarantine. The announcement means the KCPD now joins several local departments reporting cases within their ranks, including 1 Lawrence police officer and 1 firefighter in each of Kansas City and Overland Park fire departments. Later today, nurses for the nation's largest hospital chain are planning to protest what they call a lack of preparedness to protect healthcare workers against COVID-19. RNs from 15 HCA hospitals in 7 states, including Kansas and Missouri, will be staging a protest over the next 2 days. One local nurse, Angela Davis, says, quoting here, "Protecting our patients is our highest priority. But it becomes much harder when we don't have the safe protections, which puts us in danger of becoming infected." Here in the Kansas City area, that demonstration is planned for 6:30 outside of Research Medical Center on East Meyer Boulevard.
Breezy, warm, and mostly sunny this afternoon as the high tops out around 72. As we head into the evening, temperatures slowly cool back to around 64 by 9 o'clock. Rain chances are showing up on Thursday, but not a whole lot. In fact, it looks more isolated or scattered, and that's about it. Just about a 30% chance throughout the day Thursday. The bigger story will be on Friday when the temperatures start dropping. So isolated showers tomorrow, 71. It's 55 Friday morning. By Friday afternoon, it's down to 37 with a chance for rain and a few thunderstorms. And Saturday's a nice day, but it's a cool day with a high temperature around 53.
Turn to KCTV5 News for the latest updates. This is your personalized flash briefing because KCTV5 News stands for you.